Hi there. I'm in Chiang Mai at this beautiful park. It's very nice, and I've got myself some food to feed birds, hungrily awaiting birds, and swarming fish that go completely crazy when you feed them. Oh, this little guy is very, gets very close, this little white one. But he's not very good at actually. There you go. Fight the others. Hey, don't get too close to me. Don't get too close to me. Okay, time to make some noise, make them leave a bit. Okay, check out the fish. They go crazy. I don't like pigeons to come that close to me. I like our friendship to be at a distance. Oh, there's just like a seething mass of fish. I feel like I have to give all the food to the fish because there's so many of them. Their little mouths just come to the top and open up. Oh, you are so... Guys are all up in my grill. Especially little white guy, who's kind of my favorite too. Oh, you little white guy. Probably right behind me. Oh, there he is. See? It's a little cheekier than the rest. The rest keep more of a distance. He comes right up. Hey! Back to the fish. So crazy. It's just like there's no water in there, just fish. Cool, but that's my day at this lovely park in Chiang Mai. Probably should have figured out the name of it, but this one.